I am going to teach you how to schedule Facebook post in Meta Business Suite. So let's start the video lesson. First, we need to log into Meta Business Suite with Facebook profile login details. Facebook Business Suite site is mentioned on the screen and below in video description section. Now, we are in Meta Business Suite dashboard. We need to select the Facebook page in which we want to schedule post. And under the Facebook page cover, we can click this Create Post button to create a post. We have 4 options: create a post with only text content, or a post with photo, a post with a video, or we can use a template with Vimeo. In this video, I will be showing you how you can scheduling a post with an image. So let's select this photo option. I am uploading an image from my computer into the Facebook page. We can add the text content for the post in this text box. As we are scheduling the post, we need to click the Schedule button, which opens up these options: a date, calendar, and time option to schedule post. With these options, we can select a future date from here, and as well as the time of scheduling the Facebook post. Next, we can select Public to schedule the post for everyone, or we can select Restricted and share the post to a selected few people on Facebook. And finally, we need to click Schedule button below. And done, we can see the post scheduled in the Planner section of Meta Business Suite. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.